All right, 2013 Nissan Altima. How to do the front brakes? Come on, let's go, let's get it. Yeah. All right, this baby has 137,000 miles. Okay, as you can see, the conditions. This too, 14. Counterclockwise. All right. Remove the caliper. If it's too hard, pry it. Rubber pry bar. Flat screwdriver. Remove it light soap. Okay. Set it over here. Then we're gonna push it back. I have this tool. I got it from Amazon. It's like $50, something like that. But it's worth it though. Put it like that. It seems like this one's frozen. Hmm. Yeah, because it's not going back. See how this thing's bent? Gotta do it manually now. So I have a trick. I'm gonna lose this and push the piston. Just gonna lose it. Okay, it's good. I'm gonna push the piston again and see. It's going back now. So it's the hose. Right? Right. This bolt's in the back. Let me give you some light. 22. 22. I'm gonna spray that because I don't want to touch it with the. Should be Gucci. Here. Need more power. For sure. Yes. Let's see. Okay. The impact wrench. remove the pad for us. That. So you remove the pads. This is why we're replacing it. And I brush all this. I'm just gonna, because it has a brake fluid, I'm gonna grab one of this. And brush it like so. I mean, your new brake pad's gonna come with hardware. If they don't, reuse this. Make sure they're good though. Like if they're in a decent shape, you can reuse them. It's fine. Like this one. Okay. Once you clean them, lube them. Put a little bit though. Some people put in the brake pads. I'll put it here. Just a little bit though. Pretty much. Rotor come off. Like so. Stop recording. Now with this one, push it like that. Okay. You don't have to though, but I like to do it so I have a better view. I'm gonna grab we're gonna clean this hub. Good. Pretty much. You see it. You see what's Gucci. Now to make it better, here. There you go. Shh. That's spin. Ugh. Just to make it even. And this guy would just brush it. Now you're good to spray some brake cleaner. Now you're good to put the new rotor. Pretty much. Don't forget to spray all the way around. Which now time to mount the rotor. Yeah. Alright, so we put the rotor just mounted. Like so. Put this one right here. Like so. Tie it, tie it, tie it with a 21. What is it? 22, right? Gucci. Grab the brake pads. You see this clip? It's gonna go like this. Like so. Do the same in the back though. I put some grease right there on the piston. Grease over here too. You see the grain? Mount the caliper. Put the 14 bolts back. Tight it. Should be all good. And you're done with it.